2 bottles of blue rum, jar of Neptarian Kush, 13 packs of zigzag, 7 pouches of American Spirit, 8 lighters, Stonehenge rock, 3 packs of number 13 pens, 9 notebooks, tape recorder, microphone, my blue trumpet, my eyeball hat, stacks of M13, 1 pair of shoes to burn the souls out in, my Kaz vision, blue sorcerer's robe, staff with third eyeball, transformation of consciousness carved in it, my hemp necklace with the blue 2-thumb fist and mic, 13 bags of coffee beans, my Viking mug, my time machine that fits in my back pocket, my purple antennas, small bottle of goddess juice for instant boost, my Zentharian boots to walk on the night sky with, my book bag full of portals, my extended middle fingers for Republicrats, frozen dookie to slingshot at Secret Service agents, my gas mask in case chemtrails get too strong, pretty much one with my toxic environment, but nothing like fresh Neptarian forest with 13 goddesses around a fire in front of a purple ocean, clear to see straight to the bottom, 13,000 feet deep, 13-eyed creatures, green octopussy, mermaid marmalade, blue lemonade with 13 feet straws, my boombox with Tom Waits blaring, my spaceship with a cool Herc sound system that you can hear in 13 universes. Give Earth girls multiple orgasms lasting 13 hours when Cosmos vinyl is spinning, words spiraling out of my mind while having a hash bath with my sorceress. 13 candles lit, blue flowers, no roof, so I can see planet Neptar shine while I dine on blue ganja girls' pink peach to get my pineal gland working, Mayan tea, blue honey, mushrooms soaked for 13 years for stranger trips. My meaning of life book, the story of my 13 selves up to now, 1 sheet of Atlantean blotter, my Vatican telescope that I stole from the Pope, 'cause looking at the stars is like saying there's more than Earth's God, my Neptarian prayer beads got from the center of planet, my blue pyramid hat to think deeper, my eyeball ring that I carved out of Cyclops the day of his death. Met him in Antarctica when it was tropical, shared koala sandwiches dipped in cheetah sauce. My blue girl from center Earth with 3 magnificent titties, where we fucked for 13 days straight. What a tasty dish. Terrence McKenna's brain in a blender, a midnight hush puppy, so my pen bleeds life, my gonzo knife to chop opium with, bottle of Egyptian jelly, the Cosverse Atlas to remember the places I've created, photos of my 13 wives for my past lives on Neptar, a picture of me with a smile in that last train car, with the juiciest drink to help me think. Tiny bottle of Bermuda Triangle sand to toss a vortex in the air at any time. My ancient mind of many futures I've lived, and to prove all there is now is everything I need to travel.